Hi everyone, what's up? Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be brewing coffee with the latest model of the Bialetti Brikka Moka Pot. Now, I have done a video on the original style of the Brikka, and this has gone on to become one of our most popular videos on this channel, and you can still find it from this link up above. But the new Bialetti Brikka, still an all aluminium stovetop moka pot, you may also refer to it as a stovetop percolator, has been updated with a new integrated pressure spout, and this achieves a consistently higher pressure and hotter brew temperatures for better crema creation and a richer stovetop espresso. It comes in the 4-cup version you see here, I'll be using this today, and a smaller 2-cup version that's perfect for one person, whereas the 4-cup is great for 2 or more. And the Brikka Moka Pots are compatible with gas or electric stovetops. But before we get straight into this reboot, if you haven't already gone and smashed that like button, well, it is down at the bottom of your screen right now. Takes just a second, but makes a huge difference to our channel, and then lets me know that we're making the content that you want to see. As well, subscribing and hitting the bell notifications helps with that too. Let's now get into brewing with the Bialetti Brikka. So first up, we're going to fill up the included measuring cup with 180 mils of hot water for the 4-cup brewer, or 120 mils of hot water for the 2-cup brewer. And that's right, I did say hot water, as this will speed up the overall time it will take to brew your coffee. But also starting out with a hotter temperature in that brew chamber means that when the water does begin passing through the coffee and brewing, it will naturally be hotter and brew a richer, more flavorful coffee. It is important to note to never fill this bottom chamber over the safety valve, but for the curious of mind, you can brew with less or more water. Just note it will change the strength of your coffee at the end as well. Next, we're going to weigh out and grind our beans. I use the filter basket to measure my beans out, and this way you never really get it wrong, but in weighing your coffee out for the basket, it holds approximately 40 grams. Now, you want to grind your coffee to a fine grind, certainly nothing too coarse, but not as espresso fine either, and place the grounds in the basket, but don't go tamping or flattening the grounds down with the back of a spoon, but a gentle tap on the sides of the basket to settle the grounds is okay. Next, place the filter basket on top of the water vessel, ensuring that the surface around the rim is free of any grounds, as we want to make a nice tight seal when we connect that top brew chamber to the water vessel. So place it on the stove now, ideally on a low to medium heat, and this will allow the water to gradually percolate up through the bed of coffee. But you can brew 3 ways here, and they will all give you very different taste results. For a low temperature, it's going to be a very slow brew. For this medium temperature, it's going to be a nice steady brew, and using high temps will be a fast brew. But I would go ahead and try all 3 ways, and if you can't taste the difference between the slow and the fast, I don't know about you, but I would take the fast lane to coffee in my cup every time. Now, the new Bialetti Brikka will start off slow and then speed up as the brew progresses. It should take a total of 4 minutes or so to finish brewing, and you don't want to leave it here, but keep a good eye on it, as soon as it looks like it's going to start spurting, you want to remove it straight away off the heat. You don't want to leave the Brikka on the stove for too long, as this will burn the coffee. Turn your heat off and then pour the espresso straight away out evenly into your cups. Now, I enjoy my coffee straight black, so I'm going to add a little bit of water here to top mine up, but these are the perfect stovetop coffees to add some of your favorite milk for a delicious morning latte. In cleaning the Bialetti Brikka, wait for it to all cool down first, and you can rinse it under some cold water to speed this process up. Once it is cool, unscrew the top, remove the filter basket and tap those grinds out. So long as everything is cold and it is your Brikka, I find blowing on the end of the funnel gets these grinds out really easily. Now rinse everything under water, and if you want to avoid any oxidization of the aluminium or buildup of burnt coffee, it's really important here to keep everything completely dry. And in storing, disassembled and open goes a long way to help with this as well. And that's the Bialetti Brikka Moka Pot for you. It's an effective way at getting crema onto your coffees in the morning. It's an incredibly durable and portable coffee maker, one that you can count on brewing delicious coffees for years to come. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how you brew with the Bialetti Brikka, and if you have any questions on this model, throw them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.